What's going on here? I got a programming challenge solution for diamond pattern. First thing you need to do is it's basically just a cout statement. It's an output statement. All right, I'm going to put a line break firstly, and then at the end of the cout statement, I'll put another line break. All right, and then in here is where I'm going to put my diamond pattern. So here I'm going to put the center of the diamond. I'll do space, and then I'll do the symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Space, and then end L. Right, so that's the kind of the middle of the diamond. So I'm just gonna copy this. Let me just type it out. So next thing I'll do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 2 spaces. So basically, how it's gonna look on the terminal is how it should look right here. You know, minus the couts and the end L's and the angle brackets. So basically, everything that's inside of these parentheses is what it's going to look like when it's printed out to the user. And don't forget to put these spaces here because they make a difference. So mess up here. So this is actually the same as the bottom, so I put too many spaces there. All right, there we go. All right, next time it's going to be 3. So exactly how it's going to look right here is the way it's going to look out there. So if you put it like this, it's going to look like that, right? Simple. So what I did here, I need to put it also on this side. And this one's just going to have one symbol. Oops. Like that. So copy this and then just paste this at the top of the diamond. So, oops. All right, so there's what it's going to look like. So it's different. Like if I put this like back right there, it's still going to come out as a diamond. It's just here in the code, it looks weird, right? So let me just put that back the way it was. I do it like this because it's kind of helps out for good measure. All right, so in order to run the program and compile it, I need to open up the Explorer right here. And this is the folder that this program is in. The name of the program is 000.cpp. So I just open this on the program, right click, open integrated terminal, and then this folder, which is this one right here, opens up in the terminal. All right, so compile it. I'll say C++ 000.cpp, which is this is the name of the file that I'm inside this folder. Enter. And then run the program ./.a.out, enter. All right, there's our diamond.